Your home office, your desk setup, is honestly one of the most important parts of being a creative, regardless of what you actually create. The balance between style and functionality really matters, especially when it feeds directly into your workflow and helps you stay in the zone. And finding something that does all of that at an affordable price is even better. That is exactly what Vernal has done with their products, creating a cohesive modular workspace that's designed to inspire you to focus, create, and do your best work. A huge shout out to Vernal for sending over their executive standing desk that we'll be checking out in this video, along with some of their other storage accessories. With that being said, let's take a look at the Vernal executive standing desk. Unboxing and building this desk took me a little over an hour to complete, and honestly, it was pleasantly easy to do. I did just so happen to have the flu while building mine, so I definitely wasn't moving as fast as I normally would, but even with that, everything came together smoothly. The instructions were easy to follow, the parts were clearly labeled, and nothing felt confusing or overly complicated. One small tip though, if you have some kind of power drill, I'd recommend using it. It'll definitely help the process move along faster and make the whole build experience much smoother. So my home office is actually split into two separate halves. On one side, I have my post-production setup, which you can actually currently see behind me right now. That's where all of my editing, uploading, and anything that happens after content is shot takes place. But on the other side, the production side, that's where Vernal comes into play for this video. This executive standing desk serves as my filming desk, my unboxing table, my product setup space, gear testing surface. Basically, if I'm standing, moving around, adjusting cameras, or physically interacting with gear, this is the desk that I am going to be using. Because of that, stability and surface space are two of the most important factors for me. Let's start with stability, one of the most important features when you are looking at a standing desk. Whenever you're doing product showcases or unboxings, having a standing desk isn't just about comfort, it is about flexibility. Being able to raise or lower the desk lets you adjust your framing and field of view depending on the size of the product you're filming, without having to constantly adjust or move your camera setup. Because I use this desk for filming and unboxing, I am constantly leaning on it, pressing down while opening boxes. So the reinforced horizontal structure Vernal uses makes a noticeable difference here in stability. Instead of the legs and side brackets being loosely connected like a lot of standing desks, everything feels much more integrated and solid. Even at full height, the desk stays stable, which is exactly what you want when there's expensive gear sitting on top of it. Another reason this desk works so well for filming is the range of desktop size options Vernal offers. You can go all the way up to 200 centimeters, which gives you a ton of surface area for unboxing shots, product layouts, top-down filming, or obviously your very own workstation, like the majority of you would be using it for. This doesn't feel like a cramped desk, it feels like a proper work surface. It easily fits my 24 by 36 inch unboxing and cutting mat, and using my wall-mounted arm off to the side allows me to quickly set up my XM5 for top-down shots whenever I need them. Having that flexibility, like I talked about earlier, is something I really value. Visually, the finishes look clean and intentional. I went with the walnut color to blend with the other walnut accents throughout my office. But Vernal offers a wide variety of colors, finishes, and even L-shaped options for their desks. I specifically chose the executive desk because of the side panels. Not that I have anything too messy to hide or that this is going to be in the middle of a room, but I really like how the full side covers keep the space looking clean and cohesive when you look into my office. This desk is rated for 120 kilogram working load, which is roughly 264 pounds, with a maximum capacity of 160 kilograms or about 352 pounds. That matters more than people think, especially when you're stacking boxes on boxes during unboxings or loading the desk up with gear. It also means you can put some hefty workstation setups on this thing. Laptops, monitors, anything that you can think of, this is going to be able to handle it with ease. The desk lifts smoothly even with a full setup on it. No stuttering, no hesitation, whether you're using it for production like I am or loading it up, like I said, as a workstation. And for context, here it is lifting me with ease at around 200 pounds. Didn't miss a beat. Another nice touch is the included cable management. You get a clean cable tray to help conceal cords along with cable pass-throughs on each side of the desk, which makes routing everything much easier and keeps the setup looking clean. The keypad is simple but well thought out. It sits snug against the desk edge, has 3 height presets, safety limits, and anti-collision. Having it tucked out of the way, snug against the edge, is actually really nice when you're raising and lowering the desk constantly. You can tell Vernal took a decent amount of time on thinking the design over with their desks and making sure that everything operates as smoothly and efficiently as it can. Vernal also sent over their filing cabinet and storage cabinet, which integrate really well with the desk. The filing cabinet sits underneath on my right-hand side and keeps things like my jerry rig knife, screen cloths, and smaller accessories close by. The storage cabinet is going to live under my main production area. Right now I have a tripod mounted on top of it, but eventually I plan to add a monopod style mounting pole in between the desk and the unit itself that will have my teleprompter, my camera, my mics, everything mounted to that and keeping it nice and clean and out of the way. But for now, this is the main setup that I'm working with. I'm definitely going to clean it up with that monopod pole, and I'll definitely make a video once I do have the finished product where I have everything routed to that pole and out of the way. Long term, once I do have that installed, this cabinet will be where I store upcoming products, organize physical scripts, and keep supporting documents for my videos. Basically a staging area that keeps everything visible and top of mind. All in all, I'm really pleased with how this space has come together and with the quality of the desk Vernal has built. Standing desks are a huge part of my daily creative workflow now, and Vernal has created something that's sturdy, reliable, and very clean looking. It is the perfect piece to help complete the production side of my office. If you guys are interested in picking up a Vernal standing desk, prices start at $429, and you can pick up the executive desk starting at $699. Definitely check them out. You can use the link below along with my code for an extra 6% off plus $70 off when you purchase a classic set. I'll have everything linked in the description below. Again, a huge thank you to Vernal for sending these items over and for helping me elevate my creative space. If you're building a workspace with multiple zones, especially one that needs a solid, reliable standing desk for filming or hands-on work, this desk fits that role extremely well. It also works great as a simple, clean main piece for your office workstation. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed checking out the Vernal Executive Desk. But as always, that is enough watching, enough consuming content, guys. Get out there, dial in those desk setups, and start creating something yourself. I will see you all in the next video.